I got the white and purple one. You got a big pocket here, and then you've got a smaller pocket here. Big pocket. And then you also have a pocket up. Wait a minute. You have a pocket right here in the front. And then you have a pocket back here too, in the back. And you have a pocket down here. Also got these on the side. Wow, this is really got a lot of space in it. And it also has these pockets down here as well for extra security. You have one down here and one up here. Also got this right here so that you can make sure that your stuff stays in place. 3 extra bags, traveling bags. You have this one right here, bigger one here, this one as well. For the price of this, you get a lot. Also, you have a lot of pockets, a lot of space. You got these ones. You also have this one that goes really deep all the way down here. You got these 2, or 3 actually. You got those 3. And then on this side,